So we'll do one project, small project today, JavaScript project,
Yeah.
and the project name is reverse.html. So you will be given the string and you have to reverse it. So for example, there is a script and you are given the string like var my str is equal to hello, and you have to write a program so that it should print OLLEH. So it should be reversing the string. So just think on it and try to write a program. Hello.
I remember you. Hello, Carrie.
Hi, how are you?
We just started. Don't worry. Good.
So the project for today is you have to reverse the string. That means if I give you the string kind of hello, you have to write a program so that I should display this OLLEH.
Oh, okay. Revert. Hello?
Yeah, tell me.
Oh.
Just type in the chat what you want to say. Stringify is only to convert array or object into string. Sorry, I will stop this. So this is the page. What happened?
I don't think I know how to do it. Is it using the the push, like getting the first letter and?
Do anyway. There will be thousands of ways. I don't know how you do. Just do it.
Okay.
But push goes to array only. This is string, so you don't have the string. You don't have array.
Oh,
Push
okay.
and pop only works in array. What happened? You don't know? Can I help you?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so there are two main methods which I have seen in generally. So we'll do first in the normal way, then we will use another way where we can use JavaScript functions, but right now I will not use any inbuilt JavaScript function. So let's create a function. Maybe I can say reverse string, and I will pass some string in that function. And here I will only give some part of the function and then you try again. So here I will say reverse string and I will pass my str. So if I go inside this function, str is str, let's see what's coming. Okay, it came here. So right now I'm just doing console.log. So it's str is hello, whatever I am getting from the user. Now, how to go through each character? How can I go through each character? So to go to each character, we use for loop. For I is equal to, let's say, 0. I'm just showing you example. I'm not showing you the exact problem. And I will say I less than str dot length. That means a string has some length, let's say 5 character or 6 character. And I will do I plus plus. And then I can say what is the each character is. So to say what is the each character, I will say, let's say console.log. I will say I is I and character at this point is, to say we will say stri. I can go through each character and I can display that. So I can go to 0 number, it's H, and 1 number it is E, 2 number it is L, L, O. So I can go to each character using this way, using the way I showed you. Now using this logic, you have to think how can you reverse it and save it in some another variable so that you can display that reverse string. I just gave you the example how we can loop through each characters of the string. Now you have to think how you can reverse it.
So would it be, do you want me to write it or?
You have to write it. You have to write it. I don't understand what you are saying till you write
Okay.
it.
Push.
Push only works in array. This is
Array.
not array. Just put it in the chat. You got one idea how to loop it. Okay,
Is it the I
then,
minus minus?
but if you start with 0, I minus minus will be
Oh, so start with,
Yeah,
so it'd
you
be,
cannot start with 0.
can it be I minus, or I equals 5?
Why
I
you can
equals
define
to
pi?
string length.
Is that's right? Okay, so it'd be like that?
Okay, then what?
Oh.
You have to write down the whole program. Okay, this is the one step. Now what? Write down the whole steps.
So like, you want to write the whole thing?
Yeah, you have to reverse it. I will copy paste it and I will put it there and I will see if it is reversing or not.
Okay.
What happened? Still thinking? Do you know or no? You can figure out, or you are still thinking?
Is it string I?
Maybe write down in your notepad and just completely copy paste it, the final project. Because you have to ultimately tell me the final result. If you don't know, just tell me you cannot do that. Try a couple of minutes and then
Yeah.
if you cannot do it, I'll tell you. Can I show you?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so since we are going this in the forward direction, so I am able to see this HELLO. Let's say if I do the reverse thing, that means I start from the string dot length. Okay, if I put string dot length, it will be, let's say, 5. So what will be the character in my hello dot in my hello? How many characters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 characters are there. So if I start with the string dot length, so it will consider first character as str of 5. But str of 5, does str of 5 exist or no in this case?
No. 4.
No.
4. So what should I do?
-1.
-1. So I'll say -1. And it should go till what point? It should be greater than or equal to 0. Right? Because I will start with the 4 and it should go till 0. So it should be greater than or equal to 0. This is a final condition. So it should go till it is 0. After that, it will not go. And this will be I minus minus. Now let's see what is the program. So now it's saying OLLEH. Just you have to save it in different variable now. We got the reverse string. Just we have to save it in the variable. So I will create one variable, new string equal to empty. And whenever I go into the first loop, I will say new string plus equal to. Plus equal to means concatenate with the previous string. Or I can also write new string equal to new string plus str of I, and then I will do console.log of new string, and I will refresh it. So it's reversing it. Instead of console.log, I can return also. I can return. If I return, I have to capture it here. var rcv equal to, then I can do console.log of reverse is reb. I will refresh it now. Pressing reverse is OLLEH. Do you think this is difficult?
No.
Then why you were not able to complete it? Tell me why it was difficult for you.
Just no experience. It should be practice more.
Right. So there is another way to do the reverse string. It is through JavaScript inbuilt function. So in the JavaScript, we have many functions which do manipulation of the string. So if I say console.log of, if I first I will convert this into the array. So how can I convert it into the array? So each character will be in the new position. So for example, h will be in the 0 position, 1 position, 2, 3, 4. How can I convert this into array?
You can push it into an array.
I cannot push it into an array. Array can be pushed only when I have an array and I can push the string into the array. But I cannot convert a string into array by using the push.
Then create a 5 variable. Each variable have 1 character.
Alright, so how will you convert into the array?
Then put the 5 variable into an array.
Okay, so the simplest way to convert into array is, I will say string, that is str dot split. Split is a function in JavaScript which will convert from string to array. And how you want to split? I will say empty, no space, just a string. That means each character will go inside the array. Now if I refresh this part, so you will see, no, I'm not calling it. Let's call it. So it's each character is going, each string is going to the array with the help of split. Split takes the string and put it into the array. Now there is another function in JavaScript that is called reverse. Reverse will reverse this string to the from backward to front. So if I refresh it, so it is reversing like 0 L L E H. The reverse is the one which changes the direction of the array. So if array is starting with 0, 1, 2, 3, all the characters will be reversed. Now I want to convert it into the string again. So I will say join. Join with empty, no space, just a string. If I refresh it now, so it's OLLEH. So instead of console.log, I will now return it. So it's a reverses OLLEH. So some interview person ask you to do like this, and some will ask you to do like this. So you should know both the things, and whatever he tells you, you have to do it. I will give in the chat. So next time we will do lot of this string manipulation project. So you have to just use for loop every time and try to manipulate it. So today just repeat this function again and again at home after this class, and tomorrow Monday we will do more of this kind of string manipulation. So most of them will use this for loop. So you should be very every time when you get a string, just try to use this for loop. So anything manipulating the string, we should use this method. Okay, let's stop this now.